Hi, hello Oksana. Could you please give presentation to our foreign investors? In English, please? Hi, yes, absolutely, why not? I have been practicing English for a month now, so that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, great, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to draw your attention to the financial figures that we obtained last quarter. Hello, Oksana. Would you mind giving presentation to our foreign investors? That's in English if that's okay. Hi. Okay. Are you sure? Oh, yes. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my favorite color is green. I have a dog. My family is not very big. London is the capital of Great Britain. Thanks for attention.